The Bakassi Deep Seaport locates at Calabar City of Cross River State of Nigeria, with latitude 04 degrees 44 minutes north and longitude 08 degrees 23 minutes east in the southeast of Nigeria and neighboring Cameroon. Nigeria is the largest economic power in Africa. It is a major global oil producer and possesses several mineral resources. Over the years, the economy of Nigeria has grown at a steady rate. The World Bank forecast is that the country will continue to reflect an annual positive trade volume growth in the range of 7% for many years to come. Calabar is one of the most important port cities of Nigeria and a major city on the southeast coast. Calabar is now a trade, processing center, and export port, and also is an important oil distribution center in the eastern region. For strategic considerations of economy, the Cross River State Governor, Senator Professor Ben Ayade, started planning Bakassi Deep Seaport in 2015 and means to use efficient port management system to improve the logistics and international trade activities. In the past 3 years, the governor has been working hard to promote this project, energetically building the infrastructure of Cross River State, improve the investment environment, and attract cooperation and investment from large international enterprises. The Bakassi Deep Seaport project includes the port and industrial park. The total area is 260 hectares. It will be connected with the existing Calabar-Ikang Road and further connected to the northern state through Calabar-Obudu Highway, with 4-lane dual carriage to be constructed in the future. The port will handle solid bulk cargo, general cargo, containers, as well as acting as an ocean engineering service base when the port goes operational. The port plans 9 berths with 2.5-kilometer coastline, which includes 2 multi-purpose berths, 4 container berths, and 3 oil berths. And occupied area of the port is 143 hectares, which provides for cargo handling, transportation, and handling. When completed, a world-class deep sea port with capacity of 1.6 million TEU and 2.5 million tons of cargo will be formed. The project will be developed in 3 phases. Phase 1 entails 2 multi-purpose berths, 1 container berth, and 3 service berths to accommodate 40,000 general cargo vessels and 50,000 container vessels. The design annual throughput is 400,000 TEU and 2,500,000 tons of general cargo. With the development of the economy and the increase of cargo volume, 2 container berths to accommodate 50,000 DWT container vessels are proposed for Phase 2, and design annual throughput is 800,000 TEU. For Phase 3, 1 container berth and 3 oil berths to accommodate 50,000 DWD container vessels and 300,000 tonnage oil tankers are proposed to accommodate the annual throughput of 400,000 TEU and 3 million oil. Meanwhile, an industrial park with an area of 117 hectares will be constructed. It includes industrial zone, logistics center, residential, and business center. Two 40,000 DWT multi-purpose berths, 1 50,000 DWT container berth, and 3 service berths. The total length of the quay wall is about 860 meters, and the pile deck structure is for the wharf. The piles are driven to the designed level, and the concrete superstructure, including beams and slabs, are constructed. Finally, the bollards, fenders, ladders, rails, and other facilities are constructed. Hauling up to millions of square meters of various size rock to form about a 2,000-meter long breakwater and 8,500-meter western and eastern groins. The rock core will be placed by barge or trucks and then will be armored by large stones, which are carefully placed by crane. Finally, armor units will be placed over the top of the underlayer rock. A 150-meter wide, 14.5-meter deep, 6,000-meter long access channel, which will be connected to the existing channel. The port area is 35 hectares, which will be reclaimed by the suitable dredged material. The reclaimed materials will be compacted by vibroflotation or dynamic compaction. 3 65-ton ship-to-shore gantry cranes and 8 45-ton multi-purpose portal cranes are designed on the waterfront. The latest rubber tire gantries and other mobile machinery are provided in the container yards. A number of buildings will be constructed for operation, such as administration building, water supply station, a self-contained power station, gate and weighbridge structures, and other utility buildings. The project will highly improve the development of the state and country with the following factors. Construction of Deep Seaport will employ lots of local people, which brings a host of upgrades within the Nigerian Technical and Information Systems team, and will be a huge boost to the Nigerian talent pool. The Deep Seaport will maximize the scale advantage of Calabar coastline, and also is an important premise for Cross River State to develop portside industry. The Deep Seaport will create a national hub port in Nigeria, promote the sustained and stable growth of the national economy and foreign trade in Nigeria. This project demonstrates not only to Cross River State, but to the people of Nigeria, ensuring that the country continues to enjoy positive growth and fast becomes Africa's model maritime nation.